Hi everyone, welcome back to the Local Loop, and today we are so happy to have Marty Olivieri from Oliveri Roofing here with us. Thank you so much for meeting with us. So Marty just spoke with our team about different types of roofs and roof problems that we have with inspections. And Marty, I thought maybe we could just discuss different materials, because I know here in Greenwich we have wood roofs, we have clay roofs, we have slate, we have asphalt. Like, why would someone choose one roof over another material-wise, besides the cost factor or what it looks like?
Yes, most of the roofing that people choose, if they're choosing, a wood shingle or a clay tile roof or a slate, it's more for cosmetic appearance. It's not that it's a better roof, it's just a different look. An asphalt roof can last as long as a wood shingle roof. Okay. Or a clay tile roof. Slate does tend to last a little longer, but then there's maintenance required. Slates start to slip out after, a certain number of years because of the snow and the weight on the house. But most of it's all cosmetic for the look of the house.
Right. So, okay, so you mentioned asphalt, you mentioned weight, which made me think about a roof inspection that I had this year where there were 3 layers of shingles on the roof. And so I guess that was done because people were trying to save money. And
yes, and that is against code anyway. Connecticut, Westchester, New York, the code is 2 layers and it has to come off down to the deck. You cannot put a 3rd layer on a house anymore. It has to come off after 2.
And is that because it gets too heavy?
Yes, too much weight, and it's the quality of the install will not be a good install also, because you're going over an old roof, and when the snow sits on the roof, the nails from the old roof start to push up through the face of the new shingles. The asphalt will not, live its life that it's supposed to.
Okay, so now you mentioned nails, which made me think about another inspection that I had with a wood roof where I was told that the nails, it was near the water, and it was a nail that the inspector said was cheaper than what should have been used.
Yes,
can you tell me a little bit about that?
That's on a wood shingle install, which you should use the stainless steel nails, and I get a lot of calls with other roofers that have installed roofs with galvanized nails, which is what most of them use, which is a shortcut. It's cheaper, and it doesn't last because the house don't even have to be by the water. It could be anywhere. Just whether they tend to rust, and then once they start rusting, the head of the nail pops off, and then the shingles start pushing up, and you're not getting, again, it's just an improper install and a shortcut. You have to install a cedar roof with stainless steel nails to get a quality install.
Interesting. Good to know. And what I didn't know, and thank you for the education, is that I should get my cedar shingle roof cleaned.
It's good to do maintenance on the roof. You get all the algae off and the mold and everything. I have a wood shingle roof on my own house, and I usually get it cleaned every 2 years. I do not treat my roof. I just get it washed off, and that will, prolong the life of the roof.
Great. Okay, well, I really appreciate you coming. It was very educational, and if you'd like more information about Marty, he's very informative and easy to ask questions to, so we'll have his information down below, and we'll see you next time at the Local Loop.